Q8696. How much clearance from the seat bottom is required when installing radio equipment under a seat? A. 3 inches with the seat unoccupied. B. No set minimum as long as the equipment receives adequate cooling and damage protection. C. 1 inch with the seat occupied and subjected to maximum downward seat spring deflection. The correct answer is C. When installing radio equipment under a seat, a minimum clearance of 1 inch is required with the seat occupied and subjected to maximum downward seat spring deflection. This is to ensure that the equipment has enough space and does not interfere with the proper functioning of the seat or its ability to absorb impact forces during a crash. Option C is therefore the correct answer. Option A is incorrect because the seat can become compressed when occupied, reducing the clearance between the equipment and the seat bottom. Option B is also incorrect because there are specific regulations that govern the installation of avionics equipment, including clearance requirements. Q8697. The purpose of a glide slope system is to A. Provide for automatic altitude reporting to air traffic control. B. Indicate the distance the airplane is from the end of the runway. C. Assist the pilot in making a correct angle of descent to the runway. The correct answer is C. A glide slope system is a component of the Instrument Landing System, ILS, that assists pilots in making a correct angle of descent to the runway during an instrument approach. The system provides vertical guidance to the pilot by transmitting radio signals that help the pilot maintain a specific rate of descent relative to the runway. The glide slope system is a critical tool for instrument approaches, especially in poor visibility conditions, as it provides a precise reference for the aircraft's descent path. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Options A and B are incorrect because the purpose of a glide slope system is not to provide automatic altitude reporting or indicate the distance of the aircraft from the end of the runway.